Come with us while we check out the new La Cocina.
We are officially open in their new location on the east side of Casper. It is the La Cocina that we know, but it's in a new building. Look how amazing this building is. Super cool bar area. I absolutely love the stunning paintings on the wall. Of course, we started with chips, salsa, and beans. I had a steak quesadilla. Teresa had an Indian taco. Lindsay had the Mexicali. We all loved our meal, and of course, we had a cocktail.
What a great meal. You got to come check it out.
Follow for more tips from your real estate bestie.